Alrighty guys, we are here at another new Menards store here in Bridgeport, West Virginia. Check out what we have here. See, it's an Otis. Installed in 2023. Let's go to 2. This is the newest Series 2 panel. Here's the button here. There's the lantern there. Very nice and large elevator. No ads. Even though this door is just barely 3 months old. As of filming this is May 3rd, 24. Yes, you heard the jingle. This is good. Let's go up here again. Still. Boxes of furniture. There's the layout of the upstairs. One of my favorite chimes in the world from Otis. Notice no ads. These are the new Series 2 buttons. It's an Otis. Just like every Menards store in the state of West Virginia. Here's your red one. Beautiful, sexy lantern. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.